Hey guys, just a really quick houseplant tour of the apartment in China before I run off to the gym this lunchtime. So look, we're 36 floors up, and a lot of these plants are actually enjoying themselves up here, believe it or not. So we got some super cool plants going on. We got that one that I can never remember the name of, but don't look down there because that one died, so don't look at that. So let's have a really quick look at what's growing here. I'm going to spin you around. I've got the biggest hair ever, and the humidity doesn't do it any favors, gotta say. So unfortunately the basil has died, so don't look at that. But this Sarracenia, is doing really well. Look at this. It's so happy, it's so bright, so cheerful, and it's got a flower, but I think the flower has actually aborted. So not doing that well, but doing fairly well. So look, isn't that colourful, gorgeous? I think I need to give it a water though, so I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to do that over here by the plug plant station. So you can see I brought these across from England. Got some coleus plugs that are ready to be planted out into their final positions, and also some sedum sun sparklers, which I desperately need to plant up either later today or tomorrow. They're new versions from Michigan, so bred in the US. So I need to plant those sedum and also these coleus, which are looking pretty damn good actually. So we're watering the Sarracenia, so it needs a lot of water, but just look at that real crisp beautifulness of it. I love it. Ixora looking a bit sad for itself. That's a fake plant, I didn't buy that. And the lemons, I think the lemon tree needs a bit more care. These lemons have been on here for, they were on there for about a year. I don't know if they're suitable to use. It looks more like a chocolate pod, doesn't it? And a few succulents here with my skyscraper planter. So you can see I planted it, so it's reaching for the heavens. Look, cacti, succulents, whole big mix there. A few little babies on the side. A few baby cactus here, actually. I'm not too sure what they are, but are they cute? Also, I brought this Hernia from Thailand in my luggage. Looks pretty nice. And some Haworthia, but I think this is atoliated, so it shouldn't really look like that. And some of these really cheap Echeveria, so I'm embarrassed about those. Don't look at those. This Haworthia is looking a little bit weird as well. It's not actually as sunny up here as you might think, so it is a little bit shady. So these plants have to cope with that. It's probably not the best place for some of those succulents, so I apologize. Anyone scared of heights? 36 floors. Yeah, look at those green roofs though. Look pretty cool, don't they? And tapestry kind of bedding over there too. Yeah, got those coleus to plant. Sarracenia we've just watered. Cute new cactus here in a cool stone planter. A little bit crazy. Zamia, the ZZ plant, looking pretty happy there. Also some dianthus with purple dyed gypsophila, which has made the water turn this really strange acid pink. So I think we're all safe, but who knows? The living wall is looking pretty good as well, actually. Let's have a little look at that. Look. Decent, huh? That's from Muji. So we should really put it on the wall. It has kind of like a sponge inside, so you're able to then keep it moist. But it's looking nice, actually. That pilea is going to get quite big quite soon, actually. So need to keep a watch on that. But yeah, love it. What else do we have? Cool little collection here, actually. Rooted, oh, damn it. I need to top those up with water. It's so embarrassing that I'm finding out these things literally while you're with me. So need to top those up. Ivy, seed pods as well, looking nice. Leptospermum over there. This guy's looking cute as well. Hello. Hold on while I just water this. Yeah, I love rooting plants in water. Hey, cutie. Those as well, looking pretty cool. Dun dun dun. So, gonna get this one topped up and put back in place. So, there you go. Nice little display. Couple more things I want to show you. Pothos, variegated pothos, looking really nice. Some lovely vintage gypsophila. By vintage, I mean almost dead. Heart-shaped Photonia. Look, gorgeous. And also my jasmine sambac. Look. Oh, 2 blooms left. Hello. They're going to fall off at any minute, but it is a lovely, lovely fragrance. Oh, it's gorgeous. Better than any scented candle. This ficus is looking nice. Oh, a little bit brown. Don't look at that bit. Aloe is fine. This strange little magnetic asplenium is looking weird. And of course, the star of the show is still Francesca, which is the Ficus lyrata, which is the fiddle leaf fig. So really pleased with how that looks. I think I need to probably dust it. I think it's looking a little bit untidy. So that is your very brief tour of how the balcony is looking right now. So ask any questions, leave me any comments, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys again soon. So see you later. Bye bye. Woo.